Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akmal bin Abdul Karim. I would like to present the final year of the project I did in this semester entitled Design and Performance Testing of Mini Capstan Lathe Machine. Before I continue my presentation, I would like to say 1,000 thanks to technologist Dr. Tengku Nur Azila binti Raja Muhammad for helping me a lot in making this project successful. First of all, allow me to explain a little bit about this project I am doing. Since the beginning of human history, technology has increased and continues to evolve, especially lathe. This technology plays an important role in the industry for the smooth production of product. Without the use of this technology, the production produced by the industry will be slow and most likely the quality produced is not very good. The development of lathe technology today will help solve this problem by making it easier for consumers to produce quality product. A lathe is a machine that rotates a workpiece to perform cutting, drilling, assembly, and rotation operation on the workpiece. One of the lathes that is often used in the industry is Capstan and Turret Lathe. These machines are provided by a hexagonal turret head instead of tailstock, where several operations are performed sequentially without changing tool manually after each tower operation is rotated. The project presents the design and realize the design that has been made. This machine uses an electric motor to drive a mini lathe. The product produced by this machine will be made a surface smoothness test to ensure the quality of the product produced is the same as the quality of the product produced by the existing lathe machine. Next, for the introduction, lathe machine is a very important machine in the field of manufacturing. Therefore, for people who are interested in the field of manufacturing to create or fabricate something as their hobby, this machine is very necessary to facilitate their work when it involves operation that use the use of lathe. The problem is these machines are extremely expensive and not suitable for their use. The purpose of this project is to build a mini lathe machine, especially for those who want to finish their work. There are several objectives that have been obtained when doing this project. First, to design mini lathe machine using SolidWorks software. Second, to fabricate the mini lathe machine that has been designed. And lastly, to analyze the performance product of mini lathe machine or to compare the quality of the product from existing lathe machine and mini lathe machine. Thus, the scope of the project are: this project focus on some component or part found on the Capstan lathe machine such as bed, chucks, and spindle. SolidWorks software is used to draw the design of a mini lathe machine. This is to further facilitate the process of making this project. The dimension of that have been set for this mini lathe machine are 100 cm long, 25 cm wide and 60 cm long. This machine works by using an electric motor. This electric motor will connect to the shaft that hold the chuck jaw using a belting. Now, for the literature review, lathe is one of the most versatile and widely used machine tool all over the world. It is commonly known as the mother of all other machine tools. The main function of a lathe is to remove metal from a job to give it to the required shape and size. The job is securely and rigidly held in the chuck or in between center on the lathe machine and then turn it again a single point. An engine lathe is the most basic and simplest form of the lathe. It derives its name from the early lathe, which obtained their power from engine. Besides the simple turning operation is described above, lathe can be used to carry out other operations also such as drilling, reaming, boring, taper turning, curling, screwing, and others. Lathes are manufactured in a variety of type and size, but the principle of operation and function of all type of the lathe is same. Speed lathe, center lathe or engine lathe, bench lathe, tool room lathe, capstan lathe, turret lathe, and automatic lathe. Now, for the methodology. First of all, the material used such as iron and aluminium should be provided. After the material used has been prepared, an inspection must be done first to ensure that the material can be used and does not have any damage. Then the process of taking measurement and marking is done on the material according to the dimension and shape that have been set. After the process of marking and taking measurement is complete, The material will be cut according to the measurement taken and drill hole in the material that has been marked. Then the assembly process will be done according to the design that has been designed. If they are part of the connection that cannot be reassembled, the remeasurement has to be made again to allow the connection to be made. After that, when finished doing the connection process, this machine need to be tested by turning it on or running it. After the exam is complete, the finishing process is done. Now, let's go to the result and the discussion. This is the result that has been obtained from completing the desired objective. This machine is a capstan type machine where the engine is located at the left end. The machine has only a few components such as bed, chuck jaw and carriage. As you can see in this table, it shows the surface smoothness data taken by the product produced by this mini machine and the existing lathe machine. The test result found that the difference between the two machines is only 0.04 mm. For the conclusion, the mini capstan lathe machine project has been completely successfully through PSM1 and PSM2. This project can be another alternative for users who have a hobby in their creation or making small manufacturing at home. The first objective of this project is to design a mini lathe machine using SolidWorks software. The evaluation was conducted successfully when this project led to a study on the characteristics of the lathe machine, such as Capstan lathe machine, which is a machine that is widely used in the industry and easy to operate. The second objective is to build a mini lathe machine model that has been designed using SolidWorks software. This objective was achieved during PSM2 when the prototype of this project was successfully developed using all components and equipment, and the prototype can work properly when tested. The final objective is to make an assessment of the efficiency of this functional project. The assessment made is by comparing the surface smoothness of the material cut by the mini lathe machine with the existing lathe machine. This project was achieved when all power consumption data for each load was successfully collected, recorded, and analyzed. That's all from me. Thank you for hearing. Have a nice day.